G'day Australia, Andy Roberts here. G'day mate, how's it going? Merry Christmas. Well, it's 2022 and wasn't Christmas an awesome time? It was great to get back with the family and everything. And I tell you what, those bonbons or the little cracker things that you pull apart that have the toys in them and the party hats, but the jokes, how amazing were they? I got some samples. Fuck. All right, check one. Let's start again. That was a minute into it. And are you ready to go again?
Yep, ready.
G'day Australia, Andy Roberts here. G'day mate, how's it going? What an awesome year it's been so far. It's 2022 and just had Christmas with the family. It's been so long because of COVID and so forth. But those bonbons, and you know, you pull apart and you have put the hats on and the jokes. Well, how amazing were those jokes? Now, I've got a few of them I want to read out today for you, but here we go. We've got a couple here, right? Why? These are the things that you find in those bonbons, and they're dad jokes. Unreal. Anyway, here goes. I got a couple for you. Why was the broom late? Because it overswept. Okay. Where do elephants pack their clothes? In their trunks. You get it. So, why was the computer cold? It had a virus. What do you call a boomerang that won't come back? A stick. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. Why did the kid cross the playground? To get to the other slide. What do elves learn in school? The alphabet. What did the traffic light say to the cars? Look, I'm changing. What's the best time to go to the dentist? 2:30. You know, 2:30. What did the left eye say to the right eye? Between you and me, something smells. Did you hear about that couple who stole a calendar? They both got 6 months. What did one toilet say to another? You look flush. And what did the policeman say to his What did the policeman say to his belly button? You're under a vest. Oh my goodness. All right. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and G'day Australia. That's enough. That's enough. All right then. All right, we're going to move